Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, solve the equation x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0 by using the quadratic formula. All right, so what is the quadratic formula and how do we use it? Well, here are the steps. Step number 1, write the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this equation is actually already in that form. Next, we want to label a, b, and c. And then we're going to plug in those values into the quadratic formula here. And lastly, we'll simplify if needed. So here's our equation. Let's go ahead and label a, b, and c. So what is a? A is the coefficient in front of x squared, but there's no number here. So what number is here? There's actually a 1 there. So a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 1. All right, so we have our three values. Now we're going to plug them into our quadratic formula, which is right here. Let's go ahead and do that. So negative b, so that'd be negative 4 plus or minus b squared, so that's 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is also 1. And that's all over 2a, so 2 times 1. All right, so then we have negative 4 plus or minus, and then let's look at underneath the square root. So we have 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times 1 is just 4. So we have 16 minus 4, which is 12. That's all over 2 times 1, which is 2. All right, let's go ahead and simplify square root of 12. I'll do a factor tree on the side here. So we have 3 times 4. That's 2 times 2. So there's a 2 2's, so we can take out a 2 because they pair up. So this is going to become negative 4 plus or minus, and then we can take out a 2, and then there's a root 3 left underneath the radical, all over 2. All right, so what can we take out of these two terms? So they both have a 2 in common on top there, so let's take out a 2. So we can take out a 2, and we're left with negative 2 plus or minus, and that 2 is gone, so it's just root 3 left over, all over 2. So this works out nicely because these two 2's are factors, so we can cancel them, so that 2 cancels. And then our final answer is negative 2 plus or minus root 3. So we'll just stick an x in front of there. So then x equals negative 2 plus or minus root 3. So there are two answers here, negative 2 plus root 3 and negative 2 minus root 3. So here are our solutions to this quadratic equation. Let's look at another example. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.